If you're dreaming of a luxury beachfront escape in Thailand, the culture Samui could be exactly what you're looking for. Nestled right on a peaceful beach, this stylish five-star boutique resort perfectly blends modern elegance with authentic Thai hospitality, making it an ideal destination for couples, honeymooners, and anyone looking to relax in paradise. One of the biggest advantages of staying at the Culture Samoy is its incredibly convenient location. The resort is located just a 10-minute drive from the international airport, meaning you can step off the plane and be relaxing by the infinity pool in no time. Despite being so close to the airport, the hotel maintains a peaceful atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding. The most popular time to visit Koh Samui is between December and April, when the island enjoys warm temperatures, plenty of sunshine, and calm seas. This is the perfect season for beach lovers, island hopping, snorkeling, and enjoying unforgettable sunsets. Keep in mind that this is also the busiest travel period, so booking your stay well in advance is highly recommended. Guests constantly praise the Culture Samoy for its exceptional service, immaculate rooms, and tranquil beachfront sitting. Reviews regularly highlight the friendly staff who go above and beyond to make every stay memorable, along with spacious modern rooms, comfortable beds, a beautiful infinity pool, delicious breakfast, and excellent dining. Many visitors describe the hotel as one of the highlights of their trip to Koh Samui, with many saying they would happily return. When you're ready to explore, you will find some of Samoi's best attractions just minutes away. Visit iconic Big Buddha Temple for spectacular island views, or spend an evening strolling through Fisherman's Village, famous for its boutique shops, beachfront restaurants, and lively night market. But if adventure is calling, book a day trip to Ong Tong National Marine Park, where you'll discover breathtaking limestone islands, hidden lagoons, kayaking, and crystal clear waters perfect for snorkeling. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, celebrating a special occasion, or simply looking to escape everyday life, the Culture Samoy offers an unforgettable combination of luxury comfort and authentic Thai charm. From its prime beachfront location and world class hospitality to the easy access to Samoy's top attractions, it's easy to see why so many travelers fall in love with this hidden gem. This is a beautiful place. I have stayed in this hotel before. It is 5 stars, and it's 5 well-earned stars in my opinion. The location is really, really good. You do get a little bit of plane noise because of the airport, but nothing that's going to disturb you, or at least that was my experience. Just being right on the beach, it's a beautiful, quiet beach. Sitting outside at night in the dark was really, really nice with the breeze off the ocean, or having breakfast overlooking the beautiful ocean and the white sand beach. That was very nice. The food was very, very good as well. Customer service, 5 star all the way. Now let's look at some of the important numbers. I got all this information from Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can check it out and get more information or check out the prices on your dates, because we all know hotel prices change constantly. But here's what's available right now. This hotel has a 9.0 out of 10 rating with more than 3,000 reviews. That is really good, that's for sure. And booking 2 months ahead, which still puts it in the low season. The cheapest room available is 3,529 Thai baht per night. That's about 105 US dollars. And of course, that is the cheapest room available and before taxes. But not bad for a 5 star resort. And the pool here is absolutely beautiful, by the way. Really, really nice. Uh, The downsides: there's a very noisy hotel with a pool party right next door. It can get quite loud. And if you're driving, there's very limited parking here. I was driving and I believe there was only 4 parking spots available. That makes it a little difficult, that's for sure. But for most people, they're not going to be driving, so that's not a concern. But for me, it was a problem. Not a big problem. And you can't really park on the road or nowhere close to the hotel. So parking can be an issue if you're driving. And I'll add one more thing. December, there's a very good chance Koh Samui is going to get some rain. Late December, not so much, but early December, you're still in the rainy season in Koh Samui. Most of Thailand will be out of it. But December can be rather wet in Koh Samui. I found that out the hard way. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.